Namaste and welcome to the world of yoga and mindfulness. The wait is over now. You must be very excited to kickstart, aren't you? I'm Meera,
Meenal,
and Arjun, on behalf of the Little Yogis team, welcomes you for the day 4 of yoga and mindfulness session. We are gonna start today's session with a warm-up activity. After warm-up activity, we will do Surya Namaskar and practice different asanas. We will then do Kriya, Pranayam and meditation, and all these are for betterment of our physical fitness, health, concentration and immunity. Also for a healthy and peaceful mind. Do you want to start today's session with dance? Dance! Yay! Here's the fun song you can sing that makes every little cell in your body ring. Just enjoy the song and like us. Don't concentrate on the dance steps.
see the little monkey up in the tree.
Sitting.
Now the little monkey gets restless and grooves. Look at him doing his monkey moves. Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! My brain is like the monkey, restless all the time. I think I'll meditate to clear my mind. See the crazy monkey shaking it loose. Now he's drinking some coconut juice. Little crazy monkey falls out of the tree. He's stumbling around, acting really silly. Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! My brain is like the monkey, restless all the time. I think I'll meditate to clear my mind. Poor crazy monkey, he had a fright when he got that scorpion bite. He danced around in circles and yelped in pain. That scorpion bite made him go insane. Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! My brain is like the monkey, restless all the time. I think I'll meditate to clear my mind. I don't wanna grow up and act real crazy, so I'll meditate a lot, I won't be lazy. My mind should be calm just like the sea, not like that crazy funky monkey. Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! Ooh! Ee! Ooh ah ah! Ooh! Ooh! Ee! Ee! Ooh ah ah! Ooh! Ooh! Ee! Ee! Ooh ah ah!
After a cool warm-up dance, let's start today's session with Surya Namaskara. Well, we all know that the sun is the main source of energy. Let's together appreciate by saluting the sun. Surya Namaskara is a series of 12 physical postures. Stand erect with feet together. Join the palms together in front of the chest. Inhaling, raise both the arms over the head and slightly bend trunk backward. Exhaling, bend forward from the waist. Touch your palms to the floor and forehead touches the knee. Extend the right leg behind as far as possible. Bend the left knee and keep between the palms and look up. Exhale and bring left leg back, stretch hands and legs and form a triangle with the floor. Gently lower knees, chest and chin to the ground with normal breathing. Get your body down. Inhale, slowly come up from the trunk. Look up, shoulders relax. Exhale and keep your palms and feet on the floor. Lift chest, trunk and buttock backward, head between the arms. Inhale and bring right leg between your palms and look up. Exhale and bring left leg forward. Join both the legs and bend and touch forehead to the knee. Inhaling, bring up both arms and trunk, slowly bend backwards. Breathing out, come to Namaskara position. Surya Namaskar warms up our body. It helps to increase the strength, endurance and flexibility. Surya Namaskar also improves concentration and blood circulation in the body. Let's begin with our first model, Yogasanas for health. In this, let's start with Shashankasana. Shashankasana is also known as pose of the moon. Shashank in Sanskrit means moon. Sit in Vajrasana. Raise both the arms over the head. Exhaling, bend forward from the waist, keeping the arms straight. Place the forehead and arms on the ground. Close the eyes. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Slowly come to Vajrasana and then come to the original position and relax. Shashankasana relaxes the body and helps in reducing the stress. It improves the functioning of liver and kidneys. Next in line is Ardha Halasana. Ardha in Sanskrit means half and Hala means plow. Hence, it is known as Ardha Halasana. Lie in supine position with legs together. Raise both the legs up, stopping at 30, 45 and 60 degree. Further raise and bring up to 90 degree. Maintain the position comfortably for few seconds. Lower down the legs, stopping at 60, 45, 30 degree. Lower down the legs slowly on the floor. Come to the original position and relax. Ardha Halasana stretches leg muscles and ligament of leg. It improves digestion and removes constipation. Ardha Halasana helps in bringing stability in mind and body. Let's begin with our second model, Yogasanas for physical fitness. In this, let's start with Makrasana. The posture is called Makrasana as the body in this asana resembles the shape of Makra. In Sanskrit, Makra means crocodile. Sit in Vajrasana and then lie on your stomach. Keep the legs at a comfortable distance. Fold the arms at the elbow. Hold the opposite shoulders with the hands. Place the head on the cushion of the arms and breathe normally. Remove the right hand from the left shoulder and place it along the right side of the body. Remove the left hand from the right shoulder and place it along the left side of the body. Reduce the distance between the feet and take the starting position. Makrasana relaxes body and mind. It reduces anxiety and stress. Makrasana is beneficial for respiratory organs. It improves blood circulation in the whole body. Next in line is Paschimottanasana. Paschima in Sanskrit means posterior and Uttana means stretch up. In this posture, posterior muscles of the body get stretched. Bend the body forward and catch hold of the toes with the hooks of finger. Try to touch the forehead to the knee. Raise the head slowly. Release the hold of the toes and sit erect. Paschimottanasana gives a good posterior stretch to the spinal column. It helps to increase the flexibility of spinal and abdominal muscles. Paschimottanasana helps to improve blood circulation. It's a riddle time now. I have a tail but I'm not a dog. I have scales but I don't weigh things. I can be caught in a net but I am not a butterfly. I live in water but I'm not a frog. Guess who am I? It's fish. Easy peasy. Very good, Arjun. It's a correct answer. Let's begin with our third model, Yogasanas for concentration. In this, let's start with Matsyasana. Matsya in Sanskrit means fish. In this asana, the body takes the posture of a floating fish. Hence, it is called Matsyasana. Sit in Padmasana. Bend backward, supporting the body with the arms and elbow. Lift the chest. Take the head back and lower the crown of the head to the floor. Hold the big toes, elbows should touch the ground. Maintain the position for few seconds. With the help of the elbow, lower the chest. Bring the head on the ground. Unlock the legs. Come back to the sitting position in Padmasana. And then to the original position and relax. Matsyasana gives very gentle exercise to the spine and makes the body flexible. It helps to cure throat problems and helps to reduce anxiety and induces the feeling of floating. Next in line is Halasana. Hala in Sanskrit means plow. The final position of this asana body resembles the shape of a plow. It is further extension of Ardha Halasana. Lie supine on the back. Keep the knees straight. Raise the legs up to 30 degree, 60 degree and further up to 90 degree. With the support of hands, raise the trunk and lower the legs over the head. The toes should touch the ground. Maintain the position for 5 to 10 seconds. Slowly lower the back and buttock to the ground. Bring the legs to 90 degree position and gradually bring the legs to the starting position. And relax. Halasana gives good exercise to the thyroid gland. It makes the spine strong and healthy. Halasana helps in increasing the height of children. Now we'll move on to the third module, Kriya for Healthy Mind. In this, we are going to do Tratak. Tratak is a Kriya for cleansing and strengthening the eyes. In this Kriya, eyes are focused on a particular object. Sit in any meditative posture. With eyes wide open, move your eyeballs to right side and then left side. Move your eyeballs up and down. Now make a circle with your eyeballs. Straight your hand in front of the chest. Keep thumb upward and fold the other fingers. Gaze at the thumb with both the eyes wide open. Continue gazing at it without blinking the eyes till eyes become tired or start watering. Now close eyes and relax. Tratak helps to cleanse the eyes. It improves eyesight, also memory and concentration. Let's begin with the fifth model, Pranayam for emotional stability and peace of mind. In this, we are going to do Seetkari Pranayam. In Seetkari Pranayam, a sound of C is made during inhalation. Hence, it is called as Seetkari Pranayam. Sit in Padmasana or any other meditative posture. Keep the hands in Gyan Mudra. Touch the tongue to the palate. Hold the front teeth lightly on each other. Breathe in through the teeth, making a whistling sound. Retain the breath as long as you can. Repeat it for 3 times. Sitkari Pranayam helps to keep the mind cool and enhances concentration. It helps in controlling thirst and hunger. Let's begin with our sixth model, meditation to improve memory and sense of well-being. In this, we are going to do Om chanting. The word Om is very powerful and can produce positive vibrations. These vibrations can fill the whole universe. Om is pronounced as Om. When we chant Om, chant U part double than A and M. Om chanting helps to get rid of negative thoughts and feeling of anger, ego and frustration. It relaxes your mind, body and soul. It increases concentration. Place your hand in Grand Mudra on your knees. Inhale deeply and start chanting Om. Gently hold the breath as long as you can. Exhale slowly. This is one round of Om. You can practice it for 3 more times. Shavasana is a traditional relaxing posture where the legs and hands apart at a comfortable distance. Keep your palms upward, fingers naturally flexed and eyes closed. Breathing should be very slow. It reduces anxiety, fatigue and stress. It relaxes the muscles and induces feeling of inner freshness. With this, we are coming to the end of yoga and mindfulness session for day 4. Keep practicing yoga. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Like, subscribe and share our channel for interesting yoga and mindfulness videos.